Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So to kickstart the guacamole, we're going to start off by using 3 avocados, and I already washed these. We're going to remove the seeds as well as the flesh of each avocado. Once you get all of those flesh removed, we're going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm using about a 1/4 teaspoon here. And you want to crush that to incorporate the salt and pepper in the avocados from the get-go. So you want it to be nice and chunky. Finally mince 1 garlic and add to that avocado mix. We're going to go in with 1/4 of a red onion, and you want to get that finely diced as well. We're going to go in with 1/2 a tomato finely diced, and we're just going to squeeze the excess juice from that just so it doesn't make our guacamole runny. Now we're going to squeeze the juice of 1/2 a lime, and this will prevent our guacamole from discoloring, also called oxidization. And we're going to sprinkle another 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Mix that up and there you go, delicious guacamole. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.